Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you a dual recipe. This is going to be onion chicken and chicken salna. This is served across Chennai in all the parota shops, in all the Madurai and Tirunelveli shops. They serve this particular chicken and salna for parotas and dosas. Here I've got whole spices, sliced onion, chopped tomato, chili, garlic, ginger, yogurt. We need pepper powder and chicken. I'll mention all the ingredients in this video itself, friends, or it will be listed in the description box. Now I've heated a wok with some coconut oil and ghee. Once the oil has heated well, I've added fennel seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, star anise, cinnamon, maize, then some stone flour. We allowed this to splutter. Once the spluttering stops, then I'll add the ginger, garlic and tiny amount of onion. We'll fry the onion till it's transparent. Then I'll add the green chili. I'm sorry, my camera is shaking too much because I'm holding it in one hand and I'm frying all the ingredients. Then I'll be adding some tomato and chili and we'll fry this. This is going to be the salna. For the chicken, I've added yogurt and some salt, tiny amount of turmeric powder. We will marinate the chicken and allow the chicken to marinate in this yogurt mixture for 15 minutes while the masala is frying. Now the masala has been frying for almost 10 to 15 minutes. I allowed it to cool down completely, removed it from flame, allowed it to cool down completely, transferred it to a mixer jar with tiny amount of water. I've ground it into a smooth paste. Now in the same wok, I've added coconut oil and some ghee again. I'll be transferring the marinated chicken to this. We'll fry the chicken for 2 minutes. Once the chicken has fried, then I'll add turmeric powder, some chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. You can use meat masala as well. I'm using Everest brand because I'm unable to prepare all these masalas here in Chennai because of the heat. None of the masalas store well, so I normally tend to purchase the ready-made ones. Here I've also added the ground masala paste that I created earlier along with some water. I've added coarse salt, stirred everything well, covered and cooked the chicken till it's nice and tender. Once the chicken has cooked, I've also prepped some thinly sized onion, ginger, garlic, slit green chilies, dried red chilies and curry leaves and reserved for the fry. Now I'll drain all the chicken pieces. I've heated a pan with enough coconut oil and some ghee to fry the chicken now. Once the chicken is drained, I'll add the chicken to the pan and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This chicken has to fry till it's nice and dry, so place it on low to medium flame and keep stirring this and frying it. Here there are many versions of this chicken. Here they call it as tawa chicken, some people call it as onion chicken, some people call it as shredded chicken, or they call it as pichi pottakori. So there are different names for the same recipe, but in one particular restaurant they call this as onion chicken, and this onion chicken is very famous here. So now once the chicken has fried well, I'll use a fork and I'll use my spatula itself and I'll shred the chicken. Tiny amount I'm going to spread, not too much. You don't have to shred it too much. Let the chunks be there and the chicken should shred tiny amount. Once the chicken has shredded, then transfer your thinly sliced onion, finely chopped ginger, garlic, slit green chili, dried red chili, curry leaf. Just add tiny amount of pepper powder and salt. Fry all this. You can also add tiny amount of gravy to this and fry this. You can add tiny amount of coconut oil if the oil is not there. Once it is fried, serve this hot. It pairs well with paratas, dosas, idiyappams, that is string hoppers. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.